The 7 p.m., tonight, point your focus toward the new Nordic movement. With the budget-friendly lunch of a burger, use tonight's dinner to splash out at one of the city's top tables. Reservations will need to be made 3 to 4 months in advance for Noma, Alchemist, Kadeau, or Geranium, all of which are bucket list restaurants. But if you're not a book months in advance kind of traveler, outstanding dinner spots in town that can be booked on shorter notice. An under-the-radar innovative restaurant set in a 17th century vaulted cellar, is top among the choices. The baked onion with caviar and elderflower sauce will knock your socks off. The 9 p.m., end the evening with live music at La Fontaine, Copenhagen's oldest jazz bar. The scene is incredibly vibrant on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, when things get going around 9 p.m. and won't stop until late into the night.